Short exercise 7-11, we're going to be posting from the cash payments journal that we did in the previous homework assignment, and then we're going to post it to the accounts payable subsidiary ledger, and then everything else goes to the general ledger. So our first requirement is to total each column. So we're going to add 1700 plus 450 plus 260 gives us 2410. And then I can copy and paste 775. Copy and paste 100. Then we're going to add 1700 plus 450 plus 675 plus 260 gives us 3085. Oops, I typed a period instead of a comma. That's why I recommend leaving the commas out. I'm just doing them so it's kind of easier for you to read. Next, they've opened up the AP subledger, but we need to put in the balance first. So what's in the AP subledger is all of our vendors that we owe money to, and apparently we only have one vendor that we owe money to, Cat Company, and we need to put in the balance of 1900. So does the 1900 go on the debit or credit? It goes on the plus side. So which is the plus side for AP? It is the credit. And now we're going to go up here to the accounts payable accounts payable column, and post the only thing we got was 775 debit to, what do you know, Cat Company. 775 debit. And we post to AP and AR at the end of every day, so we're going to do that on the 18th of July, not the end of the month. So what is our new balance? We had a credit balance of 1900. It went down 775, so our new balance is 1,125. Check our answer. I screwed up. Oh, I forgot the post reference. I'm trying to go too fast. Sorry. CP8 stands for Cash Payments Journal, page 8. Next, they've opened up the general ledger, and we need to post from the Cash Payments Journal to the ledger. So we have updated balances. So what we need to do is fill in our balances. So cash has a balance, so the $5,000, does it go on the debit or credit side? It goes on the plus side, which for cash is the debit. Inventory, 2,100. That goes on the debit side, the plus side. Equipment, 9,900. That goes on the plus side. AP has 1,900. AP, the plus side is the right side, so don't forget that. And then utilities expense has no balance, but we need to put a 0. So does the 0 go on the debit or credit? It goes on the plus side, which is debit for expenses. Now, we need to post from the cash payments journal to the general ledger. Now, on a test, this link will not be available, so you will have to scroll up here to the cash payments journal, or just take a picture or a screenshot and have it side by side so you don't have to scroll, because scrolling is a pain in the butt. So I'm going to use this since I have limited window display here for you. Now what we're going to do, because it says up here, post transactions in chronological order. So we're going to start with the other accounts column. We're going to start with equipment. Equipment is being debited for $1,700. And even though we're posting this at the end of the month, we got to keep the original date of the 5th. So equipment on the 5th, post reference CP8, and we said it was a $1,700 debit, copy and paste. So we had a debit balance, we debited it more, so our new balance for equipment is $11,600. So we posted the $1,700. Now let's post $450 on the 7th to inventory. Don't forget your post reference. So $450 as a debit. So we had a 2100 debit. We debited at 450 more. So our new balance is 2,550. So we've done the 450. Now we work our way down to the 260 utility expense on the 28th. 28th. 260. 260 is the new balance. So we're done with the other accounts column. Now we're going to do the totals. So I'm just going to start here with the totals and work my way from left to right. So 2410, where are we going to post this to? Well, this 2410 has been posted already to those 3 different accounts, so we're not going to post the 2410. So let's go over here to AP, 775, debit. So AP, debit, 775 at the end of the month. Remember, totals are posted at the end of the month. So we had a $1,900 credit. We lowered it by $775. So our new balance is $1,125, which should be the same as the total of all of our AP subledger accounts, and there's only one. And notice it does match, so that's good. All right. So we did the $775 for AP. Let's do a $100 credit to inventory. Here's inventory on the 31st. CP8, $100. Let me copy and paste that so I don't type in the wrong number. $100 credit. So we had $25.50 in inventory. The cost of inventory was lowered because this is a $100 credit or $100 discount, if you remember, from the previous problem. So our new balance, $24.50. And then we got cash. Almost forgot cash. We got cash, $3,085 credit at the end of the month because totals are posted at the end of the month. That's a credit. So cash, we had $5,000. We credited it or lowered it $3,085. So our new balance is $1,915. Let me make sure everything looks good, because it's embarrassing when I screw up in a video. So we hope and pray, and we click on check answer. Okay. So now what we're going to do is here's the same cash payments journal. We have to let others know that we've posted all of these numbers. So we have to tell them where we posted them to. So let's start with the other accounts column, other accounts. 1,700. We posted this to equipment. So we have to go up here, find the equipment account number, 150. And then we posted this to inventory, which is account 118. Remember, assets start with a 1. And then we've got utilities expense, $260 was posted to account 541. Then we need to say, where did we post the 2410 to? Well, the 2410 does not get posted anywhere because it's comprised of 3 different accounts. So we're going to enter an X if the column is not posted. And I've already messed up something, so X. So let me go back here. This 775 was posted to Cat Company, and the way we tell everyone that this 775 was posted to the Cat Company subledger was by putting a check mark here. Remember, the check mark means that we posted it to the subsidiary ledger. And then we've got 775 that we posted to the AP ledger, or AP in the ledger, which is account 211. So we're going to put 211 here. And then the $100 total was posted to inventory, which is account 118. And then this 3,085 was posted to cash, which is probably 111, and it is account 111. And then finally, we have to prove that that accounts payable in our ledger. See, this is the ledger. So let's go see what our ledger says for AP. Here's AP. The amount is 1125 credit, and it has to be a credit. And then we have to go to the AP subledger and make sure its totals of all of the vendors is the same. So we're going to go up here to the AP subledger, and here is 1125 credit for Cat Company, and that's the only vendor we have. And fortunately, that does match. So what has to happen is the AP, the total in AP, which is 1125, must equal the same amount if you take all the vendors in the AP subledger and add them up. And it does. So this basically, this number and then the total of your AP subledger have to be equal. And that's it.